You ever sit down to study and suddenly everything becomes interesting? Your pencil looks interesting. Your ceiling looks interesting. Your pet goldfish suddenly becomes a philosopher. And your brain is like, study? Oh, no. Let's think about dinosaurs instead. If that's you, congratulations. You're not broken. You're human. Let me tell you what happened to me last year. I sat down to study for an exam. I opened the book, read one line, instantly checked my phone, opened Instagram, closed it, opened it again. 1 minute later, I was watching a video of a raccoon stealing someone's pizza. And I thought, why can't I just focus like normal people? But guess what? Normal people can't either. Here's the truth most teens never hear. Your brain isn't built for constant notifications, endless apps, and multitasking. In fact, multitasking is a lie. Your brain literally can't do it. It just switches really fast, and each switch drains energy. It's like opening 20 apps on a 2 GB RAM phone. Of course it's gonna lag. Your ability to focus comes from one part of your brain, the prefrontal cortex. This is the CEO of your mind. But your CEO is constantly interrupted by two troublemakers, dopamine, the fun-seeker chemical, and norepinephrine, the stay-alert chemical. When you study something boring, dopamine is like, bro, this ain't it. Let's watch memes. And your alertness drops. When dopamine wins, attention loses. Your brain during study time sounds like, okay, we're focusing now. Vibration sound. Never mind, let's check who texted. You check. It was your service provider saying, recharge now. And still, you check again. Focus is like a battery, and every distraction drains it. The more you switch tasks, the faster it dies. So the goal isn't to have superhuman concentration. The goal is to stop wasting the battery. 1. The 5-minute rule. Tell your brain, I'll do it for just 5 minutes. This hacks your dopamine system. Your brain hates starting things, but it loves finishing things. Once you start, momentum kicks in, scientifically called activation energy. Most teens are not lazy, they're just stuck at the starting line. 2. Breaks that reset your brain. Your brain can only hold strong focus for about 20 to 40 minutes. After that, it literally needs a reboot. A quick stretch, a 2-minute walk, or even staring at something green resets your attention circuits. Not scrolling, okay? Scrolling is like drinking energy-draining poison through your eyes. 3. Get rid of micro-distractions. One notification is enough to destroy focus for 10 to 20 minutes. So put your phone in another room or enable Do Not Disturb. If your phone stays next to you, your brain will whisper, check it. It might be important. It might be NASA calling. Spoiler, NASA is not calling. 4. Use single tab mode. Multitasking is fake. Science shows switching between tasks increases mistakes and wastes energy. So when you study, keep only one tab open. Not 18 windows, 50 bookmarks, and one random music tab from 2018. 5. Use reward-linked study sessions. Your brain loves rewards. Use that to your advantage. Study 20 minutes, earn 5 minutes of something fun. This trains your dopamine system to connect studying with pleasure. Basically, you're tricking your brain into liking hard work. Finally, you're not built to concentrate perfectly. Nobody is. But with small daily habits, you can train your mind to focus like a laser. Your attention is your superpower, and now you know how to use it. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. It really pushes this channel forward. Drop a comment and tell me which part hit you the most. And hey, don't just watch motivation. Use it. Start your focus journey today.